Bonjour, c'est Clara French in the Midlands. This video is about 12 funny French sounds that we use more or less every day. And of course the posh name for them is onomatopeia. Now just before we start, I want to mention briefly, you can claim your free ebook, The 12 Golden Rules of French, at the link in the description. It's full of tips on how to speak French like a native speaker. Take for instance the sound miam miam. It means yum yum or yummy in English. Then of course its opposite, berk or burk, means yuck or yucky. Then we've got the sneezing sound, achum, which is achoo in English. Always slightly different. The next one is plouf, which is the noise of dropping something in water. Splash in English. Paf is the noise of hitting someone, which is whack or smack, someone or something. Boom, same as English, it's spelled slightly differently. Boom. Of course, we don't have the double O in French, so it's OU that you need. I like this one, ouf, usually with a sigh of relief. It means phew. Op and opla are the most difficult to define because we use those every time we want to do something quickly. So it can mean whoops, or it can mean here we go. Say you're clearing a table very quickly and you remove the last three things and you go up, 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 and that's it. That's your translation of up. Bit similar for the next one, étac. It means done. You could say tac, 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 as in done, done, done. And of course in French, the clock doesn't go tick-tock, it goes tic-tac. Then you've got the car noise, vroom vroom, again spelled slightly differently from English. And you've got the wah, when you've done something really well, people go wow in English. In French it's wah. Again, no W in French, so you're stuck with the OU and the A to make the sound wah. And that's it for now. Give me a like if you've enjoyed it and subscribe if you're not part of the tribe already. And I'll see you in the next video. À bientôt.